Ah, dito Lex, oh. Lex. Alexa. Gitna, dali. Ayaw rin niya pumila eh. Okay, gitna, bilis. Diyan lang. Don't lean. Huwag mo hawakan yung light. Okay, 1, 2. Mabalitin. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, another post. One more. Where? Oo nga, no? Oh, wala ng lights. Yeah. There's a light na again.
It's worth it to pay $8.
Ah, may lights show pala, ma'am. May light show.
Oh yeah, light show.
Ayan na, umpisa na yan. Light
Why do we go there? May light show.
May light show na.
Wait, if you spin, you know what the Spain is gonna give you? A keychain or a $3 box.
Let's go inside na.
Wait, saan tayo? Light show.
Balik tayo.
Ah, pero wala na dito eh. Baka dun sa loob. Parang kita nila yung light.
Hey, that's like sun.
Nick, halika. Halika, tell your mama the video.
You want baby? What's the main door?
Ang layo eh.
Pointing here.
Where?
To the right.
Tapos na kami guys. Uwi na kami. Sumakit yung tiyan ko. Dati ang Gardens by the Bay walang bayad. Ayun, may bayad na. Nick! Ani ka dating kay ano ko? Sakit. Ang sakit na siya ko ang sakit kakatawa sa'yo. Toto, sabi na nga ni Alexa. Who's that? Sabi na ni Alexa. Sino yan? Toto. Ah, Papa. Nakisama nga eh.
May baby yan.
May pututoy pa.
Tawa siya ni kanina. Ano ba yan? Walang damit.
Feeling ko nila eh. Permanent installation. Hindi yan part of the ano eh. Yeah.
Ano yan, ma'am? As in, ano? Bato?
Artwork. Clay.
Ah, clay.
Artwork.
Ang galing, Nick, no?
May pot na yun. Madali yung pot niya.
We first pick up the
Look behind you.
Yeah.
The baby nga eh.
Hindi di ba left? Stay on the left.
Lucky.
No, straight on the left.
Wala sa di bola enter here.
We just ask.
Let's go there. Okay.
Yeah. No, we'll ask them.
Here, there na lang.
Pick up.
Analor na. Ang sakit ng tiyan ko. Tulo lang ako yung buti hindi tamalsin yung cellphone mo. Alawin mo dun sa cellphone ni daddy mo. Nick, sabi nung bata, pwede maligo dyan. Pwede daw maligo.
Jeez.
What's that?
Jeez. This is lion.
Yeah?
Tiger. Okay, tiger. This is a baby tiger. Baby tiger.
Ang linis ng garden nila, ma'am, no? Ang linis ng garden nila.
Be confident.
There pala, so. There, oh. What's that? Hippo? Hippo?
Hippopotamus. You can call that hippo or hippopotamus.
What's your picture below like that? Kasi pala hard.
Ano yan, Nix? Ano?
You mean McDonald's?
What's that?
McDonald's?
Yeah, what's that? Hippo?
Hippopotamus or hippo? You can try. You want to see hippo or hippopotamus?
What's the name of the place?
Anong pronunciation? Tanong mo kay Nana. Hippopotamus?
No, hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus?
Hippopotamus.
Next week it's 5,000.
Hippopotamus.
Yeah, pick up, drop off gate front.
Hippo.